Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into the long-anticipated arrival of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a next-gen compact drone that's generating massive buzz in the tech community. After months of whispers, leaked visuals, and insider footage from real-world field tests, it's now official. DJI is elevating its lightweight drone game once again. This new entry in DJI's Mini lineup isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in sub-250 cheery drone technology. The DJI Mini 5 Pro pushes boundaries, not only outperforming its predecessors like the Mini 4 Pro, but potentially becoming a landmark release in DJI's entire product portfolio, rivaling the impact once held by the Phantom series. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Confirmed features, a technological leap forward. Let's begin with what everyone's excited about, the camera system. This drone is rumored, and now all but confirmed, to be equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor. That's a huge leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3 sensor and brings the Mini 5 Pro into a new class of professional-grade aerial photography. Whether you're capturing golden hour landscapes, cinematic travel vlogs, or stunning real estate shots, the low-light sensitivity, dynamic range, and sharpness of the sensor will deliver results far beyond what's typical in the mini drone segment. But DJI didn't stop there. The camera housing is more exposed and refined, with a new free-rotating gimbal design that allows for full 360-degree rotation, similar to what we've seen in the DJI Mavic 4 and Osmo Pocket 3. This innovation opens up hyper-creative camera angles, vertical shooting for social media, and even complex orbit shots that would previously require heavy post-editing or additional gear. Enhanced obstacle avoidance and sensor suite A. Key upgrade is the integration of a front-facing LR infrared sensor, part of DJI's evolving 3D obstacle detection system. This setup gives the Mini 5 Pro the ability to detect obstacles up to 25 meters away with a wide 60-degree field of view, and it's optimized to perform reliably, even in low-light environments. You'll also notice expanded sensor pods and bulges on the body. These are redesigned to accommodate the enhanced 3D sensing tech without limiting the new gimbal's wide range of motion. This drone isn't just smart, it's tough too. Under I-know. The hood, the Mini 5 Pro introduces next-gen brushless motors with cooling vents, a first for DJI's Mini series. This enables better thermal management, more lift power, and increased wind resistance, which translates to smoother, safer flights even in unpredictable outdoor conditions. Speed, storage, and smarter props. A major quality of life change for drone. Pilots, quick-release propellers, finally. Say goodbye to fiddling with tiny screws in the field. This not only makes setup and breakdown quicker, but also reduces the risk of losing parts mid-adventure. The drone retains its compact, foldable design and remains under the 250 g weight limit, making it travel-friendly and exempt from certain regulatory hurdles in many countries. Storage-wise, DJI is boosting internal capacity to 32 GB of onboard memory, a small yet significant upgrade that can be a lifesaver if you forget your microSD card during a spontaneous shoot. And yes, battery life is taking a big leap forward. The standard pack is rumored to support up to 45 minutes of flight time, while an optional extended battery could potentially deliver 50+ minutes, giving you more freedom for long-range missions, time-lapse recordings, or continuous aerial surveys. DJI Mini 5 Pro transmission and controller compatibility on. The transmission side, DJI is loading the Mini 5 Pro with its advanced O4 video transmission system, capable of delivering ultra-stable 1080p live feeds over a jaw-dropping range of 20 kilometers. This is the same high-performance link used in DJI's Premium Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro drones. In terms of controls, the drone is expected to support the RC2, RCN3, and possibly even motion-based controllers, along with DJI's newest goggles. 3 for FPV-style immersive flying. While earlier rumors hinted at a new RC track feature, it now appears that functionality has been shelved for future models. And for creators, DJI might just include some truly modern touches, like voice command integration, seen previously in the DJI Neo, and in-app audio capture for syncing commentary or ambient sound directly with your video. Ideal for vloggers and content creators. On the go. There's even talk of a one-touch cinematic flight mode button, enabling automated aerial movements with pre-programmed patterns. No remote needed. Just tap, shoot, and go. DJI Mini 5 Pro release date and pricing, what to expect, so when can we get our hands on it? According to well-sourced drone leakers and internal testing leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro launch date is pegged for September 2025. That's based on consistent product cycle data and aligns with DJI's past autumn releases. As for pricing, expect a starting point of around $849 USD for the base kit, which includes the RCN2 controller and one battery. The Fly More combo, bundled with the RC2 controller featuring a built-in display and multiple batteries, could reach $1,999 USD. This puts it strategically between the Mini 4 Pro $759 and the DJI Air 3S $1,099, making it an excellent value proposition for creators and drone professionals who need high-end specs without going overboard. DJI Mini 5 Pro, the future of compact aerial photography? If DJI delivers on these specs, the Mini 5 Pro might be the most powerful and versatile sub-250D drone we've ever seen. With its cinematic camera, ultra-long flight time, precision sensors, and pro-level stability, it's positioned to dominate the drone market for travelers, vloggers, content creators, and professionals looking for a reliable backup drone. What kind of shots would you create with a 360-degree rotating gimbal and 1-inch sensor on such a portable drone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth drone breakdowns, camera gear news, and future tech insights.